The guiding principle is what Chinese medicine has known for ages: disease is due to an impairment in the flow of the body's energy. Stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, spinal column, and vertebrae to relieve back, neck and shoulder pain. Feel the incredible flow of energy throughout your body. Oxygenates your cells, promotes cell repair, rejuvenation, and increased energy levels, releases toxins that have accumulated in your system throughout the day. Increase your body's ability to fight off infection, repair damaged cells, and improve metabolic efficiency. A single speed machine will not give you the benefits you want. Everybody is not the same. Variable speeds mean you can set the Vitalizer to suit your specific size and weight. Start for a short period of time and at a slow speed. Then monitor your results and increase the time and speed at your own pace. The movement has an arc at the ends, increasing your range of motion. Benefits of Qi Vitalizer machine. It will help realign your spine, relax your back muscles, and increase the blood flow and oxygen supply to the spinal column. The Qi Vitalizer machine increases circulation and promotes proper blood flow. Many users experience a decline in blood pressure. Poor sleep is often a result of spinal misalignment. Fix it and the quality of your sleep will improve. Extremely simple and easy to use. Not a weight-bearing exercise, thus providing a safe and effective way for you to exercise. Beware of copycats. This is the original unit. No worries, refund. Legal disclaimer. Contact your doctor if you have any medical issues or symptoms you are being treated for.